All right, y'all. Can you believe it actually did snow out here in Georgia? That's crazy. Really did snow. I was pretty shocked. It snowed yesterday. Today is just kind of like the aftermath. This actually done turned into ice. I don't know if y'all can see that. It actually done turned into ice, but it did snow. It really did snow out here. And I thought that was crazy. My kids made a little snowman somewhere back there. If you could see that, I'll probably throw him in here so y'all can check him out. But anyway, I wanted to give y'all this quick little example regarding vlogging with the GoPro over the ZV1, and I thought this would be a great time to go ahead and do that, just so y'all could see what I was talking about regarding that last video that I made. I got to make sure I give y'all the example, you know what I'm saying? So this is what it looks like with the GoPro. My arm is slightly bent. I'm at 4K 60, and as you can see, I can get a whole lot of real estate behind me when I'm using the GoPro. Now, the thing about the GoPro that I like, and I think that we got to start taking into consideration with these small action cameras as vlog cameras, is the fact that the stabilization on this thing is crazy. So we got good stabilization, we got a good field of view. I'm in linear mode, but we got a good field of view as well, and we got good stabilization, so you really cannot beat that. I got it on a little small selfie stick, and I don't have it extended far. My arm is still bent, so I still got a lot of real estate. Now, the difference with the ZV1 is that if you want stabilization, you're gonna have to turn on active steady shot, which is then going to crop in a little bit more. So then you're gonna have to start adding your attachments to the ZV1 so that you can keep that wider field of view. But as you can see, just vlogging around and walking around with this GoPro, this is really good as far as vlogging is concerned. I think these cameras are getting slept on for vlogging purposes. They're getting slept on, but at the same time, one thing I did notice about the GoPro, that the ZV1 has over the GoPro, and you'll see when I switch over to the ZV1, is the fact that you can still get that bokeh in the back. Now with this GoPro, you ain't gonna get too much bokeh in the back, that little blurry background. You're not gonna get that with this GoPro, but you definitely gonna get that with the ZV1. But I don't know who really cares about having the blurry background when they're doing like walking style vlogs like this anyway. But again, I just wanted to give y'all this quick little example with the GoPro. I'm gonna go grab the ZV1 because it is very cold out here. But take a look at this snowman. See if I can get y'all. I'm gonna let y'all get this snowman. Look. Check him out. He had an Oreo. The Oreo done fell out his eye. One of them did. Oh yeah, he ain't gonna make it. He ain't gonna make it at all. So when I grab the Sony ZV1, I'm gonna go straight to active steady shot, because there's no point in actually using the ZV1 vlogging like this without having active steady shot turned on. And I'm not gonna put any attachments. I'm just gonna go straight up ZV1 with active steady shot and let y'all get that example, and then you can kind of give me a comment below and let me know what you guys think. Which one would you vlog with, the GoPro, or would you vlog with the ZV1 with the active steady shot? I can already tell you, I think I know what you would pick, but let's just do the example anyway. Let me grab the ZV1. Okay, so now I'm on the Sony ZV1 and my arm is fully extended. I do have active steady shot turned on, but one of the key benefits that you get with this ZV1 though, that you don't get on that GoPro off the rip, is this built-in ND filter, because I just had to use it because it's so bright out here because of the snow. So that's one of the other benefits that you're gonna get from the Sony ZV1. But look at this active steady shot, how it's cropped in to my face. I gotta extend my arm pretty much all the way out, like all the way out, to get myself in the frame the right way and to have a little bit more real estate behind me. But this is the most optimal way you're gonna use the ZV1, because you're gonna want that stabilization. And I'm moving through the snow. Stabilization is pretty good. Now if I was to bend my arm, right? If I was to bend my arm where I had the GoPro at, this is what it'll look like. You see what I'm saying? So instantly right there, the GoPro winning in that aspect, but you're gonna get that blurry background with the ZV1, because I'm at f2.2 right now, so you're gonna get a little blurry background with the ZV1. But this is the difference, and I just wanted to show y'all this real quick as an example, because I know in that last video, you know, I was kind of giving y'all the reasons why I'm gonna be switching over to the GoPro for vlogging over my ZV1, and I'm gonna let the ZV1 just be my, you know, dedicated top-down shot. I'm still gonna use it for other stuff. I might still use it for vlogging and things like that, because I do got attachments and stuff. But for the most part, I think I'm gonna go with the GoPro, because it's smaller, it's a little bit more compact, a little bit more discreet. I can take it in my pocket. I do like the onboard audio of the GoPro as well. But again, you can't really beat the ZV1 still in general for it being like a little small, compact, complete camera though. So don't get it confused. The ZV1 does have its place. But at the same time, when you're looking at this active steady shot and you're looking at all those wider modes you can get with the ZV1, I mean not with the ZV1, but with the GoPro, those wider modes, you got linear, super view, and all those views you can get. I mean, you can't really beat that. But again, I just want y'all to get this quick example of what it looks like active steady shot ZV1 versus the GoPro. Which one would you pick? Let me know. Drop a comment. I'm gonna get up out of here. It's cold, man. Peace.